In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit DNS settings on your Wix website. Whether you're setting up a custom email, pointing your domain to another hosting platform, or adjusting specific DNS records, this process can seem a little tricky at first. But don't worry. Today, I'll guide you through each step in a clear and simple way so you can feel confident making these changes on your own. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of how to navigate Wix's DNS settings and make any adjustments you need. So, let's get started. First, open up your preferred internet browser. This can be Chrome, Firefox, Edge, Safari, or any browser you're comfortable using. Once your browser is open, head over to the Wix website. You can simply type wix.com into the address bar and press enter. This will take you to the Wix homepage. Now, you'll need to log into your Wix account. If you're already logged in, you'll be directed straight to your dashboard. But if not, go ahead and enter your login credentials, your email and password to access your account. Once you're logged in, you should find yourself on the main dashboard where you can access all of your website projects and account settings. From here, locate the main menu at the top of the page. Look for an option labeled Setup and click on it. This will open up a new section with additional options for configuring your Wix account and website. Once you're in the Setup section, you'll need to find the Settings option. This can typically be found in the left-hand menu on your screen. Go ahead and click on Settings to enter the main control area for your account and website settings. Now that you're in the Settings menu, you'll want to navigate to the section labeled Domains. This is where all of the domain-related settings for your Wix account are located. Click on the Domains section, and once you're there, you should see an option that says Go to Domains. Select this option to view all the domains that are currently associated with your Wix account. At this point, you'll see a list of all the domains connected to your account. Locate the specific domain you want to edit. Once you've found it, you'll notice a small icon with 3 dots next to the domain name. This is the Domain Actions icon. Click on this icon to open up a drop-down menu with several options. From this drop-down menu, look for the option that says Manage DNS Records and click on it. This is where you'll be able to make changes to the DNS settings for your domain. Now, you can edit the DNS records as needed. For example, you might update an A record to point your domain to a different IP address, adjust a CNAME record to set up a subdomain, or modify other DNS settings specific to your requirements. Make sure you double-check the information you're entering to avoid any errors. If you're not sure what to input, consult any documentation provided by your hosting provider, email service, or other platform you're integrating with. Wix may also provide some example images or guidelines directly within the DNS management page to help you visualize where certain changes need to be made. Make sure to review these if they're available, as they can be a helpful reference. Finally, once you've made all the necessary changes, keep in mind that DNS updates don't happen instantly. It can take some time, anywhere from a few minutes to 48 hours for your changes to propagate across the internet. During this time, some services connected to your domain might behave inconsistently, so be patient as the updates take effect. And that's it! You've successfully learned how to edit DNS settings on your Wix website. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.